Today I tried sneaking into my girlfriend's custom games while she was streaming. She was doing these tournament style matches where you have to follow one rule. You had to be a skin from space. She tried to ban me from her server. Wonder why.
For a second. Oh, no, we're...
Yes! Let's go!
Come on, Loki.
Yes! So I decided to go undercover into her game, and this is what happened. Did you know that if you hit the like button, it turns white, blue, black? Apparently YouTube had an update for some people, so hit that like button. Let me know what color it changes for you in the comments. Also, YouTube is telling me that 75% of you are not subscribed. I upload every single day. So make sure you subscribe with the bell for more daily awesome videos. And don't forget to use code TypicalGamer in the item shop. Okay, so Samara's onto me. She's saying that, what is she saying? Wait, chill. She's saying, do you have your space skins on?
Do we have our spacey space skins on? Do we have them? Do we have them? Yes? Okay.
She's on to me.
Okay, the code.
She's trying to make sure that I don't get
What
it.
should we make the code? What do we think we should make the code?
I got it. Get absolutely bodied. Yeah, I'm gonna trick her. Watch, I'm gonna trick her. She thinks she's tricking me. I'm gonna trick her.
Oh, wow! How did you guys join? I didn't make a code yet.
I didn't get it. What did you do this time? You didn't say it out loud.
I know I didn't say it out loud. I know I didn't say it out loud. See, I knew we'd get him. I knew it. I knew it. Oh my god. Freaking body. Duh. Let's go.
Let's freaking go, lads.
Her chat's so hyped that I didn't get in because they think they got a chance. They think they have a chance, but I made it in and I'm ready to body them all. Look at all these space skins. Holy, how does everybody have a space skin? That's incredible. Okay, I want to land at Iron Man, but let's see where she goes. Hopefully she doesn't go to Stark Industries.
What's the most spacey space station? Probably Stark Industries.
She's gonna go to Stark Industries.
I mean, there's not really like a spice station, but like this is like cool, and they're probably launching rockets from it and stuff. So
She's not gonna go. She is gonna go to Stark Industries. Why would you go to Stark Industries? I'm gonna have to sort this out.
oh, there's people protecting the land. They protect.
Shampoo Extra Gigi dengan Gummy Man Agno 5 melawan 99.9% bakteria berjujur rawat dalam 10 saat.
Protecting the land. They protect, they attack, but most importantly, they have a tasty snack.
There's a million people over here. That is insane. Okay, we're going to Authority. We're gonna play it cool, okay? And we're gonna get this dub because we gotta hit her with a surprise. Go down here. What do we get in here? Got a big pot. That's what I like to see.
Ah! Who are you? Why did I have that rifle? What even is it? I hated it so much.
Can I break down here? We need to get more chests, more loot. A blue charge.
Let's go.